Hey Rose, this is Olena from OlenaRosanne. Let me dry up my face and let you know that I'm starting something to do with my skin and it involves this. Yes, Roses, today we're trying out sea moss. Yes, I have a jar of it here and I have a little small container here. Both for two different things I'll be using it for, but only one in this particular video, and it's involving my skin. So let me get this open. So, if you haven't heard already about sea moss, do a little research. Google it, check out all the videos that are already on YouTube. This particular sea moss gel has a little bit of a smell here, but nothing too bad. It kind of reminds me of the beach. It is in a gel form, which makes it easy to spread on my face, hair, mix in smoothies, tea. I mean, this is just a wonder ingredient. This can be something that's used inside and outside of your body. I mean, check out the videos Dr. Sebi already did on this. So instead of using that big giant jar, I'm going to use a smaller container here to dip my finger in, and I'm about to rub it on my face. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and use this sea moss as a skincare mask. Now it's super smooth. You see, as I'm rubbing on my face, you don't even see it. I mean, I basically might as well be rubbing water on my face. And did you know you can use these on your eyebrows to help them grow back? Yes, y'all, I just figured that out myself. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for a while and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I initially was going to leave it on for 10 minutes and it turned into a half an hour. I was talking to my son a little bit. So as I was talking, it began to crack a little bit, which is where you see the white film. Other than that, it's super smooth. It almost looks shiny on my face. So no irritation, nothing at all. But now it is time to wash it off. So let's go ahead and get this done. Okay, now that that's done, wash off. And pat my face dry with a paper towel. My face feels good. I'm going to go ahead and do my toning with my witch hazel and then go ahead with the rest of my skincare regimen featuring products from Pydana collection. If you don't know about those particular products or what I'm talking about, I'll go ahead and link down below one of the videos featuring those products and what I've been using to help clear up my skin thanks to adult acne. But anyway, as far as the sea moss goes, this is where it's at. This is where it's at. And this handy dandy little container here for just my skincare. When this gets low, I'll fill it up again, and this is what I'm using in my hair. To find out what I'm now beginning to do with my hair with sea moss, stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you're subscribed, you hit that notification bell. Yes, make sure you've already done that so you don't miss out, y'all. I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.